Yo guys, welcome to another video, another installment of Technical Mondays. Hope you guys have been following the signals. And another thing that I wanted to announce before we go on to the analysis is, guys, we finally reached 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys who've supported the channel, who have subscribed, who have liked the videos, who have always been commenting. I see every comment that you guys comment, and I really appreciate it. And you guys who have been on the Telegram channel, you've been following the signals. Last week was not very profitable. We're basically almost break even. But yeah, we are still holding on and we're still trading, and hopefully we'll get better trades this week. So this week's analysis is going to be very brief. I'm going to just show you guys a recap of what happened last week, and then I'll give you maybe some few signals here and there, my technical analysis for this coming week. And remember, guys, if you are new to these Technical Mondays, please do subscribe so that you don't miss any of the Technical Mondays that will be coming up in the next weeks. So if you're struggling with your technical analysis, this is the point where you're going to start from. You can be able to learn technical analysis just by following what we do here on this channel. So without wasting any time, let's go on the charts and I'll show you guys my breakdown for the technicals of this week to see what's going to happen this week. So let's go on to the charts right now. So guys, we are on the charts here. We are on the British pound US dollar chart. But before we go on to the GBPUSD chart, let me just show you guys a breakdown from the other charts. Let me start with gold. Okay, let's start with gold. I'm going to start from the daily chart. Let's use this where the analysis was. The analysis was on forex.com. Yes. So this is the daily chart for gold. Guys, gold did not tap into this major drop that we're expecting, and it tapped onto this and stopped us out, okay? But this signal here, the one you see in green here, played out perfectly. So we won that trade. We got a 1 to 3 on this trade here. You can see a 1 to 3.61. 1 to 3.61 on this. If you follow this signal, we got it to the T. Okay? So I told you that when it breaks above this level, we'll take this trade, stop loss below here, take profit on this level here. And that one happened. We got a 1 to 3.61 risk to reward on this trade. And we were anticipating to sell from this level here. Market came there and broke through and then activated this trade and we're stopped out. So we lost 1% here and we're up 2.61 on gold. That was the trade for gold. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove these I'm going to remove those so that we can be able to reanalyze gold. We'll be able to reanalyze gold so that we can look at what direction gold will take this week. Okay, so we'll start gold. We'll start analyzing gold right now. So this is what I'm seeing with gold. Let me first look at the weekly chart. So on the weekly chart, we see that gold produced this very bullish candle. This is a Marubuzu bullish candle, okay? Let me extend these regions here, okay? It produced this bullish candle, this Marubuzu bullish candle here, which engulfed these two candles here. So this is a very strong momentum from gold, okay? Very strong momentum from gold. Let me see the daily chart. Daily chart shows that gold has created a swing low here, okay? Now it has gone up to create a swing high. It has gone up to create a swing high. You can get rid of this level here. So what we expect from gold is gold should either go to this level here. So let me change the color of this to blue. Okay, so we're expecting that gold should push to this level, okay? Then we can sell gold from that level to this level here, or if it breaks this level like this, then we can wait for it to retest that level and sell it to this level. That is the first scenario we have on gold, okay? That's the first scenario we have on gold. So look out for this signal. You guys who missed last week's signal on gold, look out for this one. And then the other scenario is if it comes up and breaks above and tests this level, then we can sell gold, or we can buy gold to this level here, up here, okay? Can buy gold to this level here. That would be the level it would go for if it breaks above this level. So watch this level on what gold will do. Gold may come back to that level, okay? Then we can sell it from there, or it can go and break above, test, then we can buy to that level. So that is the scenario for gold on that level, okay? We can buy it on that from that level, and then we can target there. Oh, sorry guys, we are doing this on the daily chart. Let's go to the 4-hour chart so that we can get better entry signals. Let me just redo this. Sorry, this video may be a bit longer, but bear with me. I need to give you guys better entries, okay? So we are expecting gold to push up, then we can sell it from there to this level here, okay? If it breaks above here, like this, okay, then wait for it to test, and then we can buy it to that level. So we have this scenario here, okay, have this scenario on gold, which can be a long-term hold, a 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio. Then we have this scenario here. If it breaks above and retests, then we can buy to this level. So those are the two scenarios we're waiting for. So you wait for an engulfing candle. When it reaches here, bearish engulfing to sell, or if it breaks above, wait for a bullish engulfing to buy to there. So that is it for gold, guys. Now we look at GBPJPY. Now GBPJPY stopped us out last week. We didn't get a good trade last week on GBPJPY. We didn't get a good trade on GBPJPY. We lost that trade, okay, because I'd anticipated that it was going to pull up to here, then we can sell it to this level. But unfortunately, it went up, broke above our level, and came to this level here, stopped at this level here, and then it started selling from that level. So this trade for GBPJPY didn't work out for last week. So what do we see this week? We see this week, let me extend this. This week for GBPJPY, what I want to see, okay, because it is right now producing, it is right now broken structure. Can see here, it's broken this structure to the downside. So there's a small bearish trend here. So what we expect is, we expect to sell GBPJPY here. We expect to sell it from there. Can expect to sell it from there to this level here, but that wouldn't give us a good risk to reward. So yeah, we can sell it from here. Put just above this green line is the break of structure level. We can target this for a 1 to 2. So this is what we'll do for GBPJPY for this week, okay? This week we are selling GBPJPY to this level here, okay? If this scenario does not work out, guys, and you see something like this playing out, if you see it breaking above here or coming back to this level, then we can still sell it from that level, okay? If it breaks above this level, if it ends up breaking above this level like this, okay, then wait for it to retest, and then we can buy it to that level, okay? We can do something like this, okay? Stop loss just below, then we can target this level for a 1 to 2. So those are the scenarios for GBPJPY, okay? So let's look at GBPUSD. GBPUSD, let's look at the forex.com one. I think the one we're using, or is it? We're using Owanda, right? Oh, wait, Owanda, forex.com, FXCM. Was FXCM, yeah, it was this one here. So this trade basically stopped us out also last week. This trade we were stopped out last week. Just imagine we were stopped out and now market came back to this level exactly. Guys, just look at how accurate these levels are, okay? Levels are so accurate, which I draw. It just came back to that level. That is where we should have sold from. This signal here didn't play out well. We were stopped out of this signal for GBPUSD. But still, we have a bearish movement on GBPUSD. Don't go in for what people are saying that GBPUSD is moving up, okay? Just look for sells for GBPUSD around this area, okay? Because this is a bearish engulfing on the daily. If you go to the 4-hour chart, you can see that this was a movement of a retracement, okay? And now we are creating lower lows, lower highs. So what we want to do is to sell GBPUSD. Hold on, let me take. We'll sell GBPUSD once it pulls back up a bit. Let it pull back up a bit, then we can sell it to this level here, okay? So we are looking for something like this, okay? Stop loss just above this level, then we'll target this level here for GBPUSD. So that is the scenario I'm seeing for GBPUSD, okay? If GBPUSD comes back up, okay, if it comes back up here and breaks above this level and retests it, then we can look for a long-term buy, okay? We'll look for a long-term buy if that happens, and the stop loss will just be below here, and then we'll look for a long-term buy, okay? So that is the scenario for GBPUSD. Then I told you guys about Euro USD also. I told you to only, this one did activate. I told you to only sell when it breaks below this level here. And unfortunately, it hasn't broken that level. So wait for it to break below this level. This signal is still on for Euro USD. Wait for it to break below this level, then you can sell. Now for BTC, it is still playing out as I told you guys. This one is still playing out as I told you guys. It is still going to go up to 30,000. As I told you, you can see it's following this path that I drew to 30,000. Once it reaches 30,000, it will consolidate a bit and it will rally to 50,000 quickly. Yeah, so that is it, guys, for this week. Yeah, so as you guys have seen the signals, that is what we have for this week. Remember to give your suggestions in the comment section down below. Which pair you want me to analyze next week, you can drop your suggestions in the comment section down below. And also, I have an announcement to make. We are going to be doing a $100 challenge to grow it to 1,000. Maybe in the coming weeks, I'll make the announcement on Telegram when we are going to be commencing with that challenge. So be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss that challenge, because we are going to be trading it together. I'll be giving you the signals live as we go on. Yeah, so be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any of that. So until next time, peace out.